Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to unbox a cold steel baseball bat. Nothing fancy. We're using our Randall Adventure Training, what is this, the #1 Ontario Knife Company knife to open these boxes. I have a deep abiding love for cold steel products because they are basically indestructible. And I have found out that they are making my favorite product, the Brooklyn Basher series of bats, in like 5 sizes now. So, this is the new super long one, which I think is awesome. Cold steel bats are unbreakable. I think that we're gonna start doing a video series on how to train with baseball bats because Halloween and because I love Harley Quinn. Let's open the other box. This was the old school size that I originally used to have a ton of. So I don't actually know how long they are. I just know that there was a longer one, so I decided to buy a longer one. The good thing about these is that they are made out of like an injection molded plastic. They are impossible to break. And the really fun thing about these is that you can use them to train against live bladed weapons. This is not an idea I recommend anybody do without extraordinary levels of supervision. But what we do is we use these to do attack, defend drills against live, sharp machetes, where we learn to use it to block, transition to grips, and then hit things. All the stuff we talk about on this channel, club swinging, kettlebell swinging, it all actually has a real purpose. And the real purpose is to be good at hitting things in the context of violence. Not because we advocate for violence in any way, but because violence is a primary human thing, and it is the way your body functions the way it functions. Before language, before poetry, before everything came violence. The classic move that we call Cain kills Abel, that I call Cain kills Abel, is something that we train a lot with this. So we're gonna start talking about how I use these to train striking. Something that has been used for all of human history is clubs, whether it be war clubs or in our modern context, baseball bats. It is a fundamental human action, and everybody thinks that they're going to be good with a baseball bat until they have to defend against unchoreographed live machete movement and then really hit things. So we're going to talk about the design of that entire idea in upcoming videos because it's close to Halloween. And we're going to talk about zombie kill drills with these cold steel indestructible baseball bats.